Hi viewers, you are welcome. We want to solve this nice Alpha University exam, right? So we have this equation. So given at Alpha University entrance exam, so and you are required to use Lampant function. The equation says 2 raised to power x plus x equals 5. So we asked to find x. So guys, let's say solution. We have 2 raised to power x plus x equals 5. The first thing to do here is to make x to the other side. So we'll have 2 raised to power x equals 5 minus x. Alright, so here we have to divide both sides by 2x. So then this divided by 2x. So we know this 2x, 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power x will give us 1 equals 5 minus x divided by 2 raised to power x. Alright, so then we have 1 equals, this could be expressed the same expressed as 5 minus x, then multiply by 2 raised to power minus x. This is a negative index. This minus will be 1 divided by 2 raised to power x. If you multiply that with this, you are going to get this back. But yeah, let's move on. So here we have 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to power minus x equals 1. But there is something I want us to recall here, that if you have the Lampant function of alpha exponential alpha, so meaning that the base and the power are the same, so we are going to have the alpha. So we call this YB function. So by applying that, we are going to use this. So and to make it happen, so we have to do something here, so that we have to make this base and this power the same. And to do that, right, so we multiply both sides. Since we have minus x here, minus x here, what we are going to have here is at this power is 5, right? So we can multiply both sides by 2 raised to power 5. So we have 5 minus x multiply by 2 raised to power minus x. So then we multiply with 2 raised to power 5 equals 1 times 2 raised to power 5. All right, so now we have 5 minus x, right? So from the law of indices, when number with equal base have been multiplied, their power are added. So we have 2 raised to power minus x plus 5 equals 2 raised to power 5. All right, so then this implies that we have 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to power, this is the same, so that we have 5 minus x equals 2 raised to power 5. So then we have 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 minus x. 2 raised to power 5 will give us 32. All right, but there is something here I want you to also note that. Do you know that 2 is equal to exponential in 2? And the answer is yes. So because exponential we can't lose this lane, so then 2 equals 2, right? So we will now replace this 2 with exponential in 2, so that we are going to have 5 minus x, right? So then exponential in 2, right? So we now have 5 minus x, so which is equals to 32. So by multiplying both sides, you observe that this is actually coming, you have the base and this is the same, right? So but we still need to multiply both sides by ln 2, because this has ln 2 but this does not have ln 2. So by multiplying both sides by ln 2, we are going to have ln 2 multiplied by 5 minus x exponential 5 minus x ln 2 equals 32 ln 2. All right, so here we'll have 5 minus x ln 2 exponential 5 minus x ln 2 equals 32 ln 2. Now the base and the power here have been the same. So, and what I said earlier is if you have alpha exponential alpha, so if equal beta, so the Lampant function of this will be equals the Lampant function of beta. All right, so if this is alpha, so this will be Lampant function of beta. So we have to introduce the Lampant function to this. So we are going to have the Lampant function of f minus x ln 2, right, exponential 5 minus x ln 2. So equals the Lampant function of 32 ln 2. So this means that since we have this and this, remember what I said, so we are going to have 5 minus x, right, ln 2 equals the Lampant function of 32 ln 2. So we can easily divide both sides by ln 2 so that we have 5 minus x, right, so equals the Lampant function of 32 ln 2 divided by ln 2. So then we can transfer this, we can leave this here, so and transfer 5 to the other side so that we have minus x equals the Lampant function of 32 ln 2 divided by ln 2, then transfer 5 here, so we have minus 5. So with this, we are going to have our x to be equals minus Lampant function of 32 ln 2 divided by ln 2 minus 5. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you make this far, so kindly comment, like and share. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.